Hey folks, Abe the Apollo from Maximus Internet Marketing. I took some time off there for a couple weeks from doing my videos, my Web Wednesday and my Fast Friday. Enough people had enough going on with their holidays and doing different things. And I usually use that time for myself to kind of, retool a little bit, look at the last year, look at the year coming up, and kind of, start putting things together, putting plans together on what I'm going to do. But I do want to just thank everyone for an amazing year. I know it was a crazy year. It was a tough year for a lot of people, myself included, but it had a lot of good things too. And, I think that's what defines people. You have to go through tough things to be better, to shape as a person. So I wanted to do this video today. It's Thursday. I'll do Thankful Thursday. Why not? It doesn't have to be Thanksgiving to be thankful. I'm super thankful for so many things. Super thankful for my company, my staff, my clients, my family, my friends, everything. So, thank you for a great year. I'm looking forward to a great 2021. I know things might not always seem like they're great, but there's probably a lot of things in your life that you can look at and that are great and you can appreciate, and they're the things that you should focus on, and that's how you get better. So again, thank you everyone. Thank you for a great year. I look forward to being here and doing more videos and helping out people if it does help. And that's it. Thanks guys. I'll talk to you soon.